Ovemo era? No?
Yes, Ovemo era. So he has 3 children or kids. Now becomes Ovemo era. Ovemo era. So he has, she has, they are both Owori. Okay, they are both Owori.
So how about they? They have.
Fantastic. So they have is I, they is I. Some people write it like this, I am, anyone. So I worry, they have, I worry. So I worry, but if you are talking fast, you can just say I worry. It will sound as if you are saying I worry. Okay, I worry, but in spelling is I worry, I worry. So the same thing, they have 6 children. They have 6 children. So we can try it. They have 6 kids.
Aevemo esa.
Good. Aevemo esa.
Esa. That's the one.
Yes, Aevemo esa. Okay. So yeah. So then if you want to say our, or we have, yes, in our last class we talked about we, so we have. Who can try? Remember we?
Our.
Oh, so we have.
Our vemera.
Okay, we have 3 kids. Fantastic. So we have Alai worry. We have Alai worry. Okay. So far, yes. Anigboro, you have a question? Your hand is raised.
Hello. So before, when you wrote mi wo re emo, you put the re in there, but a bunch of these don't have the re. So is it necessary to add it?
So you mean this re?
Yeah, because some of them before has them.
Yeah, the only time you put the re is when you are non-specific.
Okay.
Yes. So I have me worry. The sentence itself is not specific. Okay, but the person you are talking to will understand what you are saying. For example, maybe you are talking about money and they say, me worry. Of course, you already know, you've already established what you are talking about. So once the sentence is not established, it's me worry, I worry, they have, or worry, he has. Okay, so that is how it goes. So I worry, they have.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So any question? Anybody have question before I go to the last part?
Do you mind just writing they have 3 children like you said it, just so I can just see, please, if you don't mind?
Okay, please. Hold on, please. Aewemo era. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, anybody your hand is still up, or you want me to lower your hand? Okay. Okay, so if there is none, because now I've been talking about I have. So what if we say I don't have? I don't have.
Mi worry.
Good. I don't have. Okay, so I don't have
Just
is
before that, how do you say you have?
okay, good. You have. Wo worry.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, wo worry. You have.
Is that the same for you, plural, have? If you're
Oh.
talking to a group of people.
Yes, you, plural. Is owa.
Oh, I worry.
Yes, owa worry. Owa worry. So if owa for you as plural is owa. Owa, then one person, singular, wo. Wo worry. Owa worry. So let it go. So now let's go to I don't have. I don't have. Say me worry. Me worry. Okay? Me worry. Now, listen. Anytime in any Urhobo sentence you can think of, you can just negate it. You can turn it to the opposite of it. It's very simple. Like what she did now, the person that answered this one, I have, what she did was to repeat the last sound, which is usually the last vowel, repeat the last sound and draw it out. I have, me worry. Let's write it again. I have, me worry. Me worry. Okay. I don't have. What does the rule say? Repeat the last vowel and just draw it out. So me worry, I don't have. Me worry, me worry, me worry. Okay, me worry, me worry, me worry. So yes, I have money. I have money. In our next class, we'll talk about money and time. Okay? So money is ego. Ego. Money, let me write it. Money is ego. Okay, so money is ego. So how do you say I have money? Somebody you try, I have money.
Mi go.
Okay.
Me we go. Fantastic. Then if I say you want to say I don't have money.
May we?
May we go?
Say it one person, let me hear.
May we go?
Okay.
May we go?
Fantastic. Yes, say me we go. Me we go. So you said me we go. Me we go. So the last O, you draw it out. Me we go. Me we go. I have money. Me we go. Okay. So that is how you negate any kind of sentence you want to negate. So any sentence that you can think of, you can negate it. Like when you say, I have mother. I have mother. Sorry, those of you that don't have mother, don't be offended. You are just learning Urhobo. Okay, I have mother is So yes, I have mother who can try.
Miwoni.
Miwoni. Okay. Miwoni. Yes, Miwoni. Yes, I think of yes, Miwoni. Yeah, I think of a better one now. I don't have friends. Or I don't have a friend.
Miwoko.
Miwoko. Oh God, I don't know. Yeah.
Yes.
Miwoko.
Miwoko. Fantastic.
Miwoko.
Miwoko.
So are you literally just saying the word and then you're saying the last letter? So like oko or that's literally it.
Yeah, Oko.
Okay.
Yes, but the last one you have to draw it. Oko.
Oko.
Yes, exactly. Oko. So you must draw it. You must draw it. If you don't draw it, it won't sound. You won't get the negative that you want. Miwoko. Okay. Yes, Anigboro, please.
So if you draw the last letter for a really long time, does that just mean never?
Huh?
If you draw the last letter for a very long time, does that just mean never?
Never know. It means no.
Yes. If I get what you mean, say if you drag the last vowel. No, you have to repeat it.
Yes,
It's not.
for a long time.
Yeah, but it's not just dragging it. You have to repeat it first. Like Miwoko. Miwoko. No, it doesn't work. Miwoko. You have to stop, then repeat it, then drag it out. Miwoko. Yes, not Miwoko. No. Miwoko. So
Is-
twice.
Sorry. Is there a word for never? I think that's probably what.
Yes, there are many words for never. Many words. Kakaka. Atol.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Is a short one?
Yeah. So there are words for it, many words. So it actually depends on what you are saying. So they are, but the one that unless you put it in a sentence, fine, then I can get it for you. But kakaka at all, never. Yes. So any other question on what we have done so far?
When you're writing the negative, do you write it like you've shown it here? So you put the dash and then the vowel.
Okay, you don't need to put the dash. I'm just putting it for emphasis. You don't need to put it.
How would
You
you
don't-
write the negative then?
Huh?
How would you, if you were writing, how would you show that it's a negative
Because I will repeat it.
when you're writing?
Yes, when I'm writing it.
I think the question is about like if you don't have the dash and the O, if it's the negative and you're writing it, how do you differentiate the positive from the negative when you're writing it?
Okay, let's do this. I have a friend. Miwoko. I don't have a friend. Miwoko. So this two O at the end shows that this is negative and this is positive. Does that answer your question?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, so any other question?
What's the difference, Oko and Beya?
They are the same thing. They are all friends. Ubeya is friend. Oko is friend, but we choose Oko because we believe it will be easier for you to remember. But now that you already know that Ubeya is also friend, yeah. So we have Ubeya, then the plural of it is Igbeya.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to know, so the literal meaning of Ubeya, how yeah.
There's no literal meaning. I think I know what you're going to. There's no literal meaning. Yes, Ubeya. Ugbeya means sometimes it depends on how you use it. I don't want to say friend is that literal meaning, but there's a way you use it. Ugbeya means you guys are all English students. Me, I'm a pidgin English students. Ugbeya is how do you use it? Somebody should help me. Anyhow, waka.
Anyhow, anyhow.
Ugbeya, yes. So yes, Ugbeya. So Ugbeya. So when you say Ugbeya is, how do you say it in your English now? Ugbeya.
Say
Anyhow.
it in pidgin, it will help us.
Anyhow, waka.
Anyhow, waka.
Anyhow, waka.
It's like careless.
Kariwaka, yes. So Ugbeya. So that
Sorry,
was
what
it.
does that mean?
I'm trying
Waka.
to sort of get the whole.
Yeah. See, you ask me what does it mean?
Yeah, I don't know. Sorry.
Yeah, careless walk, anyhow waka is when you go to places you are not supposed to go to.
Oh.
Like you move out with bad friends and you go to places you are not supposed to go to. So I say,
Okay.
yes, anyhow waka, yes, any movement that doesn't profit you.
I think I heard something like dirty waka.
Yes, dirty is ogberi. So ogberi, be is dirty, be is dirty. So you can also say dirty waka, anyone. But friend is ubeya, so let's leave that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
I mean, things are just coming up that I haven't heard in a very long time, so it's I'm tickled by that. Thank you.
So the class is helping you now. Fantastic. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, so the last part of it is how many. Let's talk about how many. How many?
Is it Brigo?
Exactly. Okay, Brigo, how many is Ibro? Okay, Ibro, some people will say just bro. Okay, they are the same thing. Ibro, Ibrigo. So Ibro is how many? How many? Okay, so if I say Ibremo, what am I saying? Ibremo.
How many children?
How many children? Yes, Ibremo. Also, then if I say Ibremo will worry. Now I come to worry again. Ibremo will worry. Ibremo will worry.
How many children do you have?
Good. How many children do you have? Ibremo will worry. How many children do you have? Ibremo. Okay. Ibrugbeyan will worry. Now let's go to Ugbeyan.
How many friends do you have?
Good. Ibrugbeyan will worry. Yes, I hope everybody is going along. So let me write it. Yes. So Ibrugbeyan will worry. Okay. So now I will ask a question now. You will tell me what I say in English, then you answer it. You answer the question in Urhobo. Okay? So I repeat, I will ask the question in Urhobo, you will interpret it in English, then you answer the question I'm asking you in Urhobo. So I'll go. Ibrinyovo Wowori.
How many siblings do you have?
Okay, how many siblings do you have? So now response.
Maybe Niovo Ene.
Okay, fantastic. Ibre, I'll ask another one. Ibrinyovo emete wowori. Ibrinyovo emete wowori.
How many younger siblings do you have?
How many
Yes,
sisters?
Jesse. Yes, how many sisters? Let Jesse speak now. So how many sisters do you have? Yeah, right. So respond in Urhobo.
Me Winyovomete era.
Good. Maybe in your era. So what does it mean?
I have 3 sisters.
I have 3 sisters. Fantastic.
So if I wanted, can I say miwo nyovomote?
Fantastic. Yes. Now she has said, Nevo have said that so now what does she say? Who can interpret it? What does she say?
I don't have a sister.
Yes, I don't have a sister. I don't have a sister. Okay, so Ibro is how many? Ibrimo. Okay, how many children? Yes. Now I'll try another one again. You interpret it. This one is not a question, just interpret it. Oseme Remo Ihueberere. Oseme Remo Ihueberere. Yeah, somebody should blast me now with it.
My father has 13 children.
Yeah,
Every- 18.
18, yes. So my father have 18 children. Okay, so I will ask again. Ibraye Osewewori.
How many wives does your father have?
Woohoo!
Yes. Good.
Well done.
Olivier? Yes, say it again. One Osewewe. Fantastic. Era. So what does it mean? Not you. Somebody should respond.
My
Yes,
father
My
has
father
3
has
wives.
3
3
wives.
wives. My father has 3 wives. Okay.
I say you're on fire.
Okay. Yeah. So the last one, it's money. So how much? So money is how much? How much or how many? How much now? So how much? Simple. Somebody have said it before. So how much is Ibrigo?
Ibrigo. Oh.
Yes. Ibrigo.
Ibrigo.
But isn't that specifically how much money?
Yes, this is how much money. Anytime you say how much, anytime you say Ibrigo is how much money. Yes,
Okay,
you're right.
okay.
How much money? Ibrigo.
Thank you.
Yes, Ibrigo, it has to do with money. How much? Ibrigo. And then you can now say £5, say £10, say for now, or we go for Ekpa and Ekpa and the rest. So money is Ibrigo. Okay. Yeah, so let's entertain questions. Any questions so far?
So there's a slight difference between how many and how much.
Okay, yeah, let me explain this but more. Let me go. How much? Yes, how much? How many? They are all Hebrew or bro. Okay, but how much? When you are referring to money, is
Ibrigo.
Ibrigo, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Aniboro, please.
Okay, so when we are asking a question, is there a specific sentence order to what we're saying? Like, is it the subject, then it's the question word, then how much we're asking, or is it something different?
Please, can you ask the question again? It's not very clear to me.
So is there a specific sentence order when we're asking question? Like, do we ask, is it like we ask the question word first, then we ask who we're talking to, and then we do what we're talking about? Like, is it like a noun, a verb, an object? or is it a different sentence order?
Okay. In Urhobo, Urhobo is a very tonal language. So you can change a sentence, okay, to a question just by changing the tone. Let's say you have. You have. Worry. Do you have?
Worry.
Worry. So the question is a high high tone, okay? Worry. Or again, you just make it sound as a question and you'll be fine. Worry, you have. That is an affirmation. You have. Worry. Worry. Do you have?
Me worry.
Me worry, I don't have. You have money. Worry. Do you have money? The same thing.
May I ask a question, please?
Yes.
Wiggle.
Wiggle. So a statement can turn to a question just by increasing your pitch and make it sound like a question, as simple as that.
I wanted to ask the Anigboro family person, was there a question you wanted to ask? For example, I don't know, is there a statement, a question you want, and we see how the teacher can sort of make it clearer? I don't know.
Okay, yeah, if you have an example, is that what you mean?
No, I just wanted to understand how much in the I have words that we learned, because I thought it was a bit confusing. So I just wanted to know if there was like a specific word order so I could recognize what specific thing I could put together to form one of those sentences.
Okay, yes. Neville, did you if you understand what is being said, please.
I'm sort of thinking about it. I think she wants to know if so. For example, I mean, if you gave an example, Anigboro, of any I don't know, just any statement, then maybe the teacher might be able to, write something down to make you see exactly what you need to do or not. I don't know. It's just a thought. So you wanting to know whether I don't know. I'm trying to sort of think of something I can, pluck out of the air. If would something like I'm going shopping do? I don't know. For example, and then which other you need to put things.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Anigboro, what I've said about the tonal, the being tonal, that you can change a statement to a question. Does he answer what you ask?
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Okay.
Sort of.
Okay, yeah. Ufoma, your hand is raised up.
Hi, can I just get the verb to have, how it's written? Is it just worry? Is that the verb?
Yes.
For to have?
Yeah, the verb have is simply go. Yeah.
So when we're changing it to you have, we're conjugating it to worry. So that's us changing it.
Yes.
Okay.
I have now becomes me worry.
Me worry. I think what the Enigbo, sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, I apologize. Enigboro person is asking is, you know how when I asked the question earlier about how would I say 7 kids, do I say the 7 first or do I say it after the children? And then you explain that way. So I think if I'm getting right what she's asking, it's saying the have conjugated, then saying the subject, and then saying the have part, if that makes sense. So how many kids do you have? You're saying the conjugate, you're saying Ibro, then you're saying Emo, which is the kids, the subject, and then you're saying Worori, do you have at the end, if that makes sense, isn't it? Or
Okay, Aniboro, if that is what you mean, let's go back.
So do I mean.
okay, let's move on then.
It's okay. It's okay.
How long do you think this lesson is going to go on for?
Yeah,
It's 25 past 3 at the moment.
Yeah, we're ending the class right now. The next 5 minutes we're done.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, what I'm just waiting for now is question. If there's any question, there's none, we stop. So we have 5 minutes more to ask questions. If there is none, we can say thank you and see on Saturday.
The only question I have is what are we doing next week?
Yeah, next week we're doing money to talk about money. We'll talk about money and then we'll talk about time, money and time.
To talk about the money that we don't have? Just joking.
Okay, we'll talk about the money that you want to have.
Sorry, can I ask another question? Can I just get you
Please.
to write down when you asked how many wives does your father have? And then the other person answered, my father has so many wives, just so that I can see it written, if that's okay.
Ibrahim also were worried. So the response is say, also men. Also men we are. Okay, so wakobiruo mekpe wa mamo o ari class none meje po wa ma class none na. I thank you all for participating in this class, for coming and participating. It's my pleasure to once again engage with you on the Urhobo language and how we can speak it, better. Okay, so I'll see you again on Saturday. And then once again, we're sorry for the inconveniences that started this class. We hope that it won't happen again. So thank you very much. Yes, so one of the admin is here. If he wants to talk, fine. Pastor GT, you have a word to drop to apologize to the people here. If you have, fine. Yes. Okay, so now
Armrest,
armrest. Okay.
How do you say thank you?
Wegobiro.
Wegobiro, teacher.
Wado.
Bye, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was a very good.